Hi, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. Having the premier accounting service is something that you can strive for and actually have. It's something different than just simply offering traditional accounting services where you're doing the bookkeeping, preparing the financials, perhaps doing the taxes for a client. It's literally being the premier accounting firm in your area, where as a CPA, accountant, bookkeeper, tax preparer, you're literally providing the services in your area that no one else is able to offer. Why? Because you are passionate about the services that you're offering. One of the things that I think is important to realize here is we're not just talking about a traditional accounting firm where you're just doing the transactions and preparing the financials. We're making a difference in the clients' lives, helping them excel and exceed in their businesses. Why? Because you're providing for them the information they need to make the premier business decisions that they have to. You're their profit and growth expert. Now, in order to achieve this, one of the things that we pride ourselves on here at Universal Accounting Center is giving you the tools, resources, the training and certifications you need so that you can actually go out and confidently and competently offer these services. These are value-added services so that you can get the premier billing for what it is you're doing and ultimately get paid what you're worth. Now, one of the things that's very important here are the various programs that are designed to help you be that expert so that you can, with confidence, go in and make a difference in the clients' lives, helping them get the information they need to make those important business decisions. So let's talk about these very quickly. The professional bookkeeper program is designed to give you the proficient way of doing accounting in small business settings. This is enabling you to actually be a professional bookkeeper so that you can show that you're in fact proficient in the day-to-day applications of accounting in small business. It's becoming a professional tax preparer, showing that you're actually certified as being able to do the tax returns both for the individual and the business confidently and competently. It's being a QuickBooks specialist where you're ultimately able to actually go out there and use QuickBooks as the tool you use to efficiently do the work so that you can be most profitable taking care of the clients because you're doing the work efficiently. Now, the other thing that I'd like to bring up are some conversations that I've had with a few individuals that I think you'll appreciate. Recently, I was talking to both Mike McAllowitz and Ron Shaharian over at Profit First, and one of the things that we were talking about is how in a market you can differentiate yourself when you're actually that profit first professional. Clients, what's the premier thing they want to first focus on? And it's being profitable. Your business owner clients, of all the things they're struggling with, want to know that they're actually making money. And ultimately, making profit a deliberate, intentional thing helps you stand out in the market as being that expert that they want to work with because you're going to make profit a priority for them. Now, the other thing is when we were speaking, both Mike and Ron, we were talking about what it is that we can actually do to help you literally take that message out there to the world, because the goal with Profit First is to eradicate entrepreneurial poverty, and we want you to join that mission and help basically these business owners really financially succeed as they're doing the work they do. The other I'd like to bring up is that of becoming a certified value builder provider. This is essential. Why? Because when you become a certified value builder provider, as I was talking with John Warlow, it's basically helping the business owner focus on building their asset. Their company is their asset, and the better you can help them organize and build their business to basically address the 8 drivers that determine the value of the company, you're going to help them do as they intended. Build a company that has a worth that they are proud of. This is huge, and it puts you in a position where you're more consultative in your services and ultimately getting paid a higher ticket value because you're a profit and growth expert. The other happens to be a conversation that I had with Michael Palmer over at Pure Bookkeeping. Becoming a pure bookkeeping licensee enables you to use those standard operating procedures that ensure you're being efficient with the work you're doing within your firm. It enables you to not only just take on clients and onboard them confidently and do the work efficiently, but it also allows you to retain them as a client, because now you're going to be able to effectively interact and work with them so that you can be, in fact, as we said, the premier accounting firm in your area. Each of these things are enabling you to literally go out there and be not just the average, same Jane or John service out there. Color accounting. This is where you're able to obviously work with business owners and help them understand the accounting that they're getting from you, what those financial reports are ultimately saying. enabling you to be the translator you need to be, because accounting is the language of business. What we're trying to do here is, as a team, give you the tools, the training, the resources you need. Join with me, and I'd be happy to introduce you to these individuals and help you have actually the contact you need to feel confident and competent about what you're doing, because you are, in fact, that premier accounting firm. This is the opportunity for you to make a difference in your life and actually take your business to that next level, to go out there and market and find and retain new clients, to go out there and service them confidently and competently so that you can, in fact, be their profit and growth expert, and ultimately do it efficiently so you can be profitable with what you're doing, so you can get paid what you're worth. Accounting success is universal. I worked hard to build these relationships, to give you the opportunity to implement these programs within your firm so that you can, in fact, be that premier accounting firm. Let's take advantage of that opportunity. Let's get you started. Contact my team, and let's take advantage of the opportunities that present themselves so that you can, in fact, implement each of these strategies and principles in your business today. Why? Because business success is universal. We're here to make a difference. We're going to enable that. Let's get started. Thanks.